We are ready for hockey here in Raleigh as they get set to drop the puck, and the faceoff is won by Trocheck. And here we go. Carolina get it to Trocheck. Trocheck settling it down, circles. He fires one right on. Oettinger makes the save, and finally it's touched up by Dallas, and the Hurricanes will get a power play.
Valuable points on the line. You can see the physicality right now early.
Svechnikov to Necas, back to Shea. Shea's drive goes just wide of Ottinger's net. Kept it at the point. That shot's right on, and Oettinger will swallow that Pesce draw. It's a power play for the Canes, and the draw is won by Stahl. Svechnikov now with the handle, backhands it to Hamilton, works it across, ripped right on, and the save is made by Oettinger. Dallas is continuing to put some pressure on as they turn and fire from Camano at the blue line, and Mrazek handles that, kicked into the corner, but Dallas still hanging on to the puck until Camano loses it to Jesper Fast. Bounces off of the boards, but it will be settled down by the Dallas Stars as Justin Dowling circling around, throws it to the front. Mrazek makes the save, rebound chance, pops into the corner. Going after this Paquette, kept in at the blue line. Lindell, but the Canes come up with the loose puck in the neutral zone. Martinook has it. He loads it up and fires and puts one right on that. Oettinger kicks into the corner to make a play. Sends it on a short pass. Aho has it. Back to Slavin. Slavin to Fleury. Fleury fires. Loose puck. Oettinger might have gotten a piece of it. It deflected and stayed out. Jacob Slavin bursts into the Dallas zone, gets it to Svechnikov, who gets a stick, and that goes right through the blue paint. Jake Oettinger had to watch that come through. Now a winding shot by Jordan Stahl right on that. Oettinger blockers down. Now Svechnikov turns and fires from on top of the circle. Oettinger will kick that into the corner. Fires one right up, batted in front by Vincent Trocheck. Oettinger with two stout saves there. Canes keeping it into the blue line, getting it across to Shea. Shea from his defensive position. His pass is deflected.
To put yourself in position to get hit. Did Vincent Trocheck, nice reload. Does he knock this out of midair? You bet he does. I mean, that started with an excellent route, trying to be in position defensively. Pesce jumps in, stick is below the bar.
Takes a Dallas hop to stay in the zone. Pesce jumping up from his defensive position. Dougie Hamilton with a strong play out in front on Andrew Cogliano. And Carolina clears the zone. Taken out. Carolina will get it right back in the neutral zone to Martinook. Martinook winds and fires on Oettinger. Makes a butterfly save there. Kicks the puck into the corner. Carolina fighting for it. Marty Necas gets the puck into the slot.
Stars have had an abundance of blocks here in this first period.
Now it's Klingberg in the Kane zone. Pesce, his shot. Takes a funky bounce, but Mrazek sees it, and he'll hang on for a face. Ogle went into the boards. Dangerous opportunity there as Dallas now works it back and forth. Robertson across the point to Pavelski, and Mrazek with a good save. If I was a fan of puns, I would congratulate Abby on that excellent report. But I am not a fan of puns, so I won't do that. As Alexiak used all 6'7" to help get the puck free. And the Canes with a quick up. Trocheck sends it in. Martinook, he shoots, he scores! Jordan Martinook with a snipe, and the Canes go up 1-0, 40 seconds into the second period.
Stretch pass, a thing of beauty. Dallas making a change. This is how you take advantage. Pesce up to Trocheck. Trocheck is able to thread it to Martinook on sides and beats Oettinger halfway up on the blocker side. He's looking, locates. I did confirm with Martinook.
With speed in the Canes end. Stops and starts on Jacob Slavin. And then a turning wrister put right on, and it'll be handled there by Mrazek. Doing some heavy lifting there on Justin Dowling, and the puck will squirt free and will find its way to Sebastian Aho. Aho heads up, gets the puck to Brock McGinn. McGinn fires one right on, and Oettinger will catch that. And what a shot from Jordan Martinook as well. Now Jake Dean has it at the top of the circle, dusts it off, throws it on, and Oettinger makes a chest save there, and the rebound will come out to Esa Lindell. He controls the puck, sends it over to the point for Slavin. Back to Necas. Necas pulls up, he wrists one right on, and Oettinger will catch that, and he'll hang on for a face-off with 15:23 left in the second. Wraps it behind the net where Aho gets it. Aho on the backhand, leaves it for Svechnikov. He charges right in, and Oettinger had to stand into the Raging Bull. And the puck goes into the corner. Backhand pass, though, is detected, and away comes Dallas. Nick Camano into the Canes end. Shot right on Mrazek. Handles that, drops it down, and then he'll melt it down for a face-off in his end.
Advantage of that long second period change. You're in business.
Shots on goal. 22 for the Canes, 8 for the Stars. Now make it 9 as Robertson off the face-off puts one on, and Mrazek closes the door. talked about them a little bit at the start of this game as the draw was won by the Canes. Warren Foegele will push that back, though, on Peter Mrazek, and Mrazek will cover that. And bad tempers in the Canes end. Dallas as Jamie Benn tries to go cross ice. Now they send it through. Shot right on Mrazek, makes the save as he robs Como.
Way back on the Hurricanes bench, you see Ben position himself to see the open ice, and that eventually creates the chance for Como. And Peter Mrazek pushes very nicely. That was Klingberg joining the rush.
Now Aho takes a shoulder, throws it back into the star zone, but is popped out to Alexiak, who's got a lane and puts one right on, and Mrazek gets a glove to that, and he will meet it right to the ice with that glove and hang on for a face-off in the Canes zone.
You know, they're doing it, Dallas, across the board. We just saw it from Klingberg. Good save. Good save. That's one where you have to find a way to...
The Stars captain throws it along the near boards, where it finds Tanner Kero. Kero's shot is deflected by Pesce, shot right on, and Mrazek will glove it. Thought about playing it, and then he'll rethink that, and he will melt that. Instead, the puck will be picked up by Slavin as Aho waves at it now to Fost, and Fost rolls one in, and Ottinger says, I'll take that. Niederreiter sends it down low, where it'll be fetched by Warren Foegele. Foegele goes cross ice, sets up, chance right there for Shea, bounces high off the glass, and Dallas just gets a stick to it and knocks it back to the Canes blue line.
Foegele takes a look, recognizes the breakdown is there, and finds Brett Pesce. Stops and starts to create separation on Pavelski. And then he recognizes the...
Sekera jumping into the deep end of the Canes side as he gets one to the point. And that shot is put right on, and it'll be handled there by Peter Mrazek.
Stanley Cups, where Justin Williams was a big part. He still is positioned to run the defense, but he's the head coach. Todd Nelson is also there, who led the American Hockey League Grand Rapids Club and coached Andrei Svechnikov's brother Evgeny to a Calder Cup championship.
Again has left the game with an upper body injury, will not return. That's the word that we have now. Backhand chance bounces, and Mrazek makes the save. There's a dangerous chance there by Ben off of the backhand. That might be the best save of the night for Peter.
And then Ben just wisely gets the puck to the net. Bounces in. So he's got a low cleat. He's leaning to the glove side.
Canes will return the puck to Shea, who jumps into the Dallas zone. Shea into the backhand, puts one on Ottinger. What a save by Ottinger! And Shea with a tremendous move. Carolina Hurricanes are up 1-0, and Brady Shea almost made it 2. Throws the puck into the star zone. It's fenced there by Svechnikov, and Ben goes into the corner where Shea has it. Gives it to Aho. Aho to Shea from a sharp angle, and Ottinger will hang on to that in his crease.
Brady and Jake Ottinger skate together in Minnesota. Just an awesome save, but Pesce's been all world.
Hamilton's drive from the blue line as the Canes win the draw. Now Dallas trying to clear, but Stahl with a good job of keeping it in. Now kept it at the point. Now it will pop free. And Jamie Benn had a partial break. Slavin comes back on him. Benn on the backhand, and Mrazek makes the save with the arm.
Even came way across the ice. And then Ben makes a heck of a play to even get the shot off.
You don't see that often, but it still materialized into a chance for the Canes. Now Pesce with the puck. He flips one right on. It was deflected. Mrazek with a save with a right pad, and then he dives on the puck, and he'll get a whistle.
He did. And he had to use his flexibility, cat-like reflexes. That goes off a Slavin's stick, too.
5 seconds left. Dallas has to tag up. Aho doing great work in the corner. He gets to the puck to Niederreiter. 1 second left. Welcome back, Peter Mrazek. Hasn't played since January 30th and his third shutout of the season.